Hello all, welcome to RVH Technologies. Now I'm going to discuss about SQL group by function. So normally when we will use group by function, where is the actual need of the group by functions? Now I will explain within a practical example. Okay. Okay. Let's go into this particular sales target table data. Okay. In the sales target table, we are able to see year and for 2010 year mega outlet retailer, and what is the sales target? 15,500, right? So for entire mega outlet, so these are all the sales target for 2010 year. So like that 2011 years also will be there for mega outlet. So if the user requirement is, so they want to see the complete sales target for mega outlet. That means for mega outlet, it is expecting the summary of all the sales target for entire years. So now what we need to do? So we need to group by on retailer name and summary of the sales target. Okay. Now let me write select. So retailer name, comma. So summary of the sales target. So summary function you can use summary. You can put sales target. You can entire this particular column you can rename as sales, total sales. Okay. From this table. So for example, if you run this particular query as it is, it will throw an error. You can see that, right? Because the column sales star say retailer name is invalid in the select statement, because it is, you're not doing any group by on retailer name and you are using the aggregating function of summary. So what do you need to do? You need to put group by on this particular column, sales target retailer name. That's it. Now try to run this one. Are you able to see it? So you can see this. For Leo, this is the name, this is the total sales. For Cycle Manix, this is the thing, and Super Tam, this is the thing. So this is how each and every particular record is. It just took the total sales for each and every retailer name. That means you did the group by function on the retailer name. For example, if you want only this Cycle Manix retailer only, what is the total target? So as it is, we already discussed about the where condition. Where condition, where you need to write? You need to write before the group by. Okay, where you can put retailer name equals to, you can just, if you want only this super tramp, okay, just write that super tramp. Okay, see that you are just select retailer name and summary of the sales target from this table, and where condition you are using, where retailer name is equal to Supertramp and group by retailer name. You can see only that particular record and what is the total sales. That means you are doing the sales target summary for each retailer name. And by using the where condition, you are restricting to only Supertramp. That means this group by function is useful for you to aggregate any of the measure value based on a particular column. For example, you want to see what is the actual sales, total sales of Supertramp for each year. That means what you need to do, you need to include year also, right? Because sales year also. And whenever you just put the sales year column in the select statement, it is mandatory you need to put that in the group by also, because only the aggregating function only you need to leave, because you are group buying on retailer number as well as sales year column. Okay, this is very, very important while you are doing group by function for a particular measure. You need to put the group by on a individual columns other than the measure. So you want to group by on retailer name, you want to group by on year column for measure value, right? So that is the reason why whatever the columns you are putting in the select statement, other than the measure value, other than the aggregating value, you need to mention the same thing in the group by also. Okay, let me just run this particular query. See that. So for Supertramp 2010, maybe there is no record, but 2011, this is the total sales value. That is, it is the aggregating value of the sales target. And 2012, this is the value. 2013, this is the value. For example, as I discussed, if you remove the sales year value, if you're not putting this value in the group by, what will happen? Just check it out. If you try to execute that, see that it will throw an error. So that is the reason why always when you are doing any aggregation function and group by column, whatever the values exist in the select statement other than the aggregating function, it should in the group by columns also. Okay. So now I'm writing that. So now you are able to get the proper data. So this is the group by function. Okay. Hope I think everybody understand this one. Thank you.